Hello guys, today's video I'm going to be solving the Rubik's Cube. This is how it looks like right now. It's solved completely. Let's see if I can do this. The aim for today's video is to never give up and you can keep on trying. First of all, I'm going to mix it up. Wow, this is cool. Yeah! Look at the Rubik's Cube now. It's all messed up. Our aim is to try to solve all of it. Let's see if we can do it. Start. Let's do it. I did it. Let's go, I did it. I can do it. I'm so close. Oh, I messed up. Alright, I'm good. I got it. I can do it. Oh no, I'm stuck. Oh, there we go. I found it. Oh, this one over here. Yes, I did the first row. Okay, let's finish it. Oh, I'm stuck. Let me find it. I found it. I did it. Yay. Oh, I found this. Let's go. I did too. Right, let's do these two. Here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. We finished it. Color white is finished. Let's see if we could do all the colors. Let's do it. Let's do it. And we did it! Let's go! The reason this video was made was that you should never give up and should keep on going. This is how I never give up. Don't forget to check out other videos. Thank you.